name is Bryson. I'm going to tell you how to wash a cat. The first thing you have to do is fill the tub. And fill the tub. Now how does this work? When the tub's being filled, you have to get a cat. Get the cat. Come on. We got a cat. We got you. It's all here. I'm over here. Oh, it's right here. Over here and over here. Ow.
Sneaky.
Let's try being sneaky. Don't have to hit him. It's not pushing. Got ya. Let's try being very nice. Oh, kitty. Kitty. Kitty, love you. Okay. Okay. If you don't run, I'll keep running. Come back here. Pretty. He's going downstairs. If you're having a hard time getting the cat, use a laser. Just go out. Yes. Come on, kitty. Over here. Over here. And over here. Over here. Yep. You can't get the laser. When you got the cat, put him in the tub. Come on, cat. After you're done cleaning the kitty, dry him off. That's how you wash your cat. Thanks for watching my video.